Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to edit your image using Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in. It is quite easy. All you have to do is go to dropbox.com and log in using your credentials. Let's simply try to edit an image. This right here is the interface, and at the very top, you guys can see something like Edit Image. It's right next to Create Folder. In case you don't find this, you can simply click on these three dots and you might find Edit Image right there. I'm gonna click on it right now. And from here, it's asking me to select an image. Well, this right here is the image that I want to edit, so I'm simply gonna select it. And do note that you can upload files as well. Once you've done selected it, simply hit on Choose. A new page will open up, and right here on the navbar, as you can see, there are a few options available. You can simply rotate left, as you can see, or rotate right. It's up to you. You can simply flip the image or crop it. It's up to you. As you can see, I'm cropping it right now. I'm okay with it, so I'm gonna hit on save. Do note that you can also adjust it. From here, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and everything. And once everything's okay, at the top right, you will see a button that is called as Save. Simply click on it. And from here, two options will be provided. Save a copy or replace original. Well, it's up to you. Select whichever one you wish. Finally, give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how we edit an image in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.